Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of WinCC Unified. In this video, I am going to define you how you use a momentary push button in your WinCC Unified SCADA. So first of all, you will see I have a momentary push button here, and I am going to name it a fill button, which is also used in my project. You will see that the fill button here, and now I'm going to set its values. I'm going to the press, and I'm going to use it as set tag value, and I'm going to use the tag here is a fill button, and I'm going to change that name it to 1, and I'm going to copy that, and in the release section I'm going to again paste it and change this to again a 0. So my fill button is now created. Now I'm going to make another copy of it and give it a name of discharge button. Like that, I need to place it right there, and I am going to name it discharge button. And now I am going to change the tag name here to fill button to discharge button, and another I am going to change it to fill button to discharge button. So now my both buttons has now created. I'm going to compile it, and I'm going to show you how I used in my project. So in the PID you will see that here is a fill button and the discharge button, and it is open by a manual bit. Now I'm going to simulate my project. You will see that now my project is going to load, and when it is going to load, then I will show you how it is gonna work. So it takes time to project load, and now I'm going to my schematic runtime manager. So you will see that my project is running. Now I'm going to start my web page, and I'm going to place it like here, and minimize that, and in the PID function you will see that when I'm going to open my web page here, so you will see manual button is working. You'll see that. Now I'm going to show you a discharge button. You will see when I press it, you will see it is going to true, and when I'm going to press a discharge button, now my level is going to down. Now I'm going to show you in my factory IO. See that here, wait, like that. You will see that my fill wall is working, and you will see when I am going to put a discharge, my discharge button is working. So that's how momentary push button works in WinCC Unified. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and comments if you have any query. In the descriptions I also give my WhatsApp number and the others video tutorials links of others SCADAs and PLC programming. So if you want to learn, watch my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video again.